Today, me and my friends are trekking to some waterfall and we're going to swim in it because it's bloody hot. Sweating just from getting ready. I'm watching Nourish Nuts Gaming because I'm addicted for no reason. Anywho, I'm waiting for Brooke to get here with the rest of them because I'm like the last stop before we actually go to the waterfall. We plan to leave at 9. It's currently 9:55 and I'm just sitting in my car.
Hi.
For vlogging.
I don't mind.
What?
I've never had them. They're plain
Yeah.
Let's get it. Go.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
What are we getting? I'm not sure where we're going.
Oh, sorry.
Get really cheap ones.
Sour cream and fries.
No.
One tangy.
Yes.
I don't know.
Get those chips.
We're not filming. Now we're filming.
Yo.
We got a little, I feel like what are those names?
Daniel is 23.
Have you?
You know, in twins, one of them's always right-handed, the other's always left-handed, or the ambidextrous.
I thought you were say wrong.
Or the ambidextrous.
Oh, really?
Because Clara is ambidextrous and Laura is right-handed.
Across we go.
Jesus Christ.
I wonder why. Was it maybe you gotta be the one that saves me? What, have I been here?
You're very familiar right now. Kaylin, go wear colours. Actually.
We're jumping.
Spider-Man.
Where is it? Caitlin can't jump the fence because she has a bad knee. After a long and treacherous hike, we fucking finally made it! Yay! We made it! We just had a dip and it was really scary at the start because we couldn't see anything and I found a leech in my shoe. But having a snack now, having some raspberries. Gonna go back in later before we leave. Anyways, it's fucking massive. You would not want to fall from that. And then there's this beautiful crater looking. I don't even know what that is. Don't look at my feet. We just hiked back up and it was absolutely miserable.
It was a bit of a trek. It's really hot.
I didn't get any footage because I was absolutely. I wanted to cry. Still kind of do because I feel the emotions of it.
You made it now though. You're past it.
No, but it was.
You did it. Yeah.
It was really. What's the temperature? Like 38?
It's like 30. No.
Like
30.
Like 46.
It's like 56 Wait, was it like 58?
It was horrible and hot. And
There's no service.
it just. And now I'm in the air conditioned car, listening to music with my friends, chewing on ice cubes.
Yeah, I can't.
Listen to get that. Wait, Brooke, go slow. Up there.
Well, there's a leech on it!
Where? Oh, and the spikes down the bottom.
Ew, that's ew. I hate leeches.
Wait, I want to see.
Are they mutual?
Ew, my god.
Is that mutual friendship?
No.
No, that's not mutual. Parasite.
Yeah, parasite.